Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best soldering iron on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mentup, check the description box below. Number 5. Axon T3A Soldering Iron. The Axon T3A Soldering Iron is a revolutionary tool for soldering, offering advanced features for both professionals and hobbyists. It connects to the Axon platform for free software upgrades, ensuring the tool stays up to date with the latest enhancements. The C245 soldering iron heats up to 380 in just 4 seconds, saving time on projects. The soldering iron is intelligent and protective, recognizing the welding target and environment for automatic power compensation and protection. Its 2.4-inch color display simplifies temperature control and has a real-time dormancy feature to prolong the iron's life. The soldering station is versatile, compatible with multiple handle types, and offers custom temperature settings. It also features a built-in temperature sensor to prevent high-temperature operation. The soldering station can also serve as a DC power supply and a burning tool. Number 4. Sunshine C210 Soldering Iron. The Sunshine C210 soldering iron is a versatile tool that offers power, precision, and convenience for both beginners and experienced soldering enthusiasts. Its key specifications include a net weight of about 500 grams, a handle size of 2,001,615 millimeters, a line length of about 1,314 millimeters, a soldering iron holder of 1,357,283 millimeters, and a package size of 20,712,195 millimeters. The iron has a temperature range of 100 to 450 degrees centigrade, 212 to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, and a rapid warming time of just 2 seconds, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. The LED temperature display allows for precise temperature setting and monitoring. The iron's portability is a significant advantage with its compact size and lightweight design, making it easy to handle and transport. It also features an inductive sleep function, enhancing safety and energy efficiency. The package includes everything needed to get started, including the soldering station bracket, heating core, charging adapter, copper wire ball, qualification certificate, and instruction manual. Number 3. Lefevre T210 Soldering Iron. The Lefevre T210 soldering iron is a versatile tool that combines power, precision, and ease of use. It has a 75 W power rating, making it suitable for a wide range of soldering tasks, from delicate electronics to larger projects. The iron's input voltage compatibility allows it to work in various locations worldwide. Its precise temperature control ranges from 60 degrees centigrade to 500 degrees centigrade, with a color LCD display, providing real-time temperature feedback. The T210 maintains a stable temperature of plus or minus 5 degrees centigrade, static, preventing overheating and cold solder joints. Its efficient heating core voltage of DC 12V plus or minus 10% ensures quick heat-up times. The iron is designed for comfort and durability, with an ergonomic handle and durable construction. It operates reliably in a temperature range of 0 to 40 degrees centigrade and can be safely stored in temperatures ranging from minus 20 degrees centigrade to 80 degrees centigrade, with a recommended humidity of 35 to 45%. Number 2. Afin A902 Soldering Iron. The Afin A902 soldering iron is a powerful tool for precision and power in soldering tasks with a 350 W high power capability. Its dual bracket design allows for adjustable angle adjustments and convenient switching between single and dual handle operation. The soldering iron uses a programmed chip for precise temperature control, ensuring the correct temperature for each task. The automatic sleep function enhances safety and energy efficiency, while the temperature compensation function ensures consistent temperature throughout the process. The machine also features a mechanical short circuit protection function, halting the machine if a short circuit is detected. The soldering station offers 6 standby temperature settings, temperature calibration, and a built-in buzzer for convenience. The 3-stage cleaning system ensures the heating core remains clean and ready for action, ensuring optimal soldering performance. Overall, the Afin A902 soldering iron is a game changer for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 1. Yihua 982 Soldering Iron. The Yihua 982 soldering iron is a reliable tool for both beginners and professionals. It features a cartridge-type soldering iron tip that heats up in just 2 seconds, providing efficient work. The digital LCD display offers real-time information, allowing users to monitor temperature, set it, and receive feedback. The PID temperature stabilization function ensures steady tip temperature, allowing for a wide range of 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. The soldering station also offers convenience features like 4 preset channels, digital temperature calibration, sleep mode auto shutdown, and the option to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The built-in metallic rack and elevated cable guide make changing soldering iron tips easy. The integrated dispenser stores solder wire, and the cleaning kit keeps the tip clean. The holder also features a metallic protective mesh for safety. The Yihua 982 soldering iron comes with a 12-month USA warranty and professional assistance 24/7 on Amazon. It comes with spare parts for long-term reliability. Choose the Yihua 982 soldering iron with confidence, as it comes with quality accessories and tools to enhance your soldering experience. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.